Dear students, welcome to this MOOC. MOOC stands for Massive Open Online Course. In this MOOC, we shall be providing you a variety of multimedia enriched e-content, activities and assessments in a very learner friendly manner so that you are able to understand the various topics of this course very well. Let me now tell you briefly about the structure and main features of this MOOC. The entire MOOC has been divided into various weeks so that you can plan your learning in a very logical and systematic manner. It is advised that you must actively participate in the various components of this MOOC, that too regularly on a weekly basis. For every weekly schedule, you are first advised to watch 2 to 4 videos assigned to you per week. Then you must read the learning material provided as e-text and also go through other content in the Learn More section. After this, you are advised to carry out the various activities like taking part in the discussion forums, visiting the related web links which we have provided for you, attempting crosswords, etc., earmarked for each week. After this, to test your knowledge of what you have learned during this week, you must attempt the quiz in the assessment section for that particular week. I wish you all the best in this very interesting self-learning experience. Please remember, we shall always be there with you to provide you support for any problems you face. The MOOC coordinator along with junior faculty as tutor shall always be available to solve your queries which you can post in the discussion forums or you can send them to us through mail which shall be notified to you soon. We would be very happy to know your experience after the completion of this MOOC in the form of your feedback which will help us enhance the quality of this MOOC further. Dear students, after understanding the general MOOC structure, let me now tell you the weekly layout of this course. This course you are supposed to complete in 15 weeks and it deals with the study of organic reaction mechanisms with emphasis on addition reactions for the carbon-carbon multiple bonds as well as the carbon hetero atom multiple bonds. Also, the emphasis will be on reduction reactions with a focus on hydride reducing reagents, elimination reactions and the reactions involving free radicals, and also you will learn about pericyclic reactions in detail. To begin with, in the first and second weeks, you shall learn about the addition reactions on the carbon-carbon multiple bonds. You shall be able to understand the various types of mechanisms which are involved with the addition reactions like electrophilic addition reaction mechanism, nucleophilic addition reaction mechanism, the free radical addition reaction mechanism, and all this will be done with the help of suitable examples in the cases of alkenes, alkynes as well as allenes. There shall also be a detailed study on the hydrogenation of aliphatic as well as aromatic systems, the hydroboration reaction and also the named reactions like Michael reaction and Sharpless asymmetric epoxidation, etc. In the third to sixth week, the focus of our study shall be on addition reactions with the carbon hetero multiple bonds, that is the carbon oxygen, carbon nitrogen and so on type of double or triple bonds. In the third week, you shall be able to understand how various metal based reagents such as Grignard reagent, organozinc and organolithium reagents give rise to specific addition products. Reduction is also a way of addition of hydrogen atoms, thereby bringing saturation in the molecule. Hence, we shall also study about the various metal reducing agents and how they affect the certain functional groups where the multiple bonds are non-conjugated as well as conjugated in the 4th week of this course. After the 4th week, when we move to the 5th week, you shall be able to gain an in-depth understanding of the well-known named reactions such as aldol condensation, Perkin condensation and Knoevenagel condensation reactions, which are very crucial to the study of carbonyl compounds as well as means for the formation of new carbon-carbon bond. After this, the 6th week will concentrate upon some more condensation reactions concerning the carbonyl groups which are very much related with aldol condensation like the Claisen ester condensation, the Dickmann condensation, benzoin condensation and Stock condensation will also be taken. In the next 7th week, we shall focus our study on the different types of elimination reactions, that is E1 which is unimolecular elimination, E2 which is bimolecular elimination and E1CB which is the unimolecular elimination conjugate base will also be understood in detail. We shall also understand the pyrolytic elimination where the elimination is done with the heat and no other acid or base is used. After this, the 8th week shall be a self-study week, and in this week no new content will be given to you, rather you are required to revise all the concepts which we have studied in the week 1 to 7. And after you have revised all these concepts, you are advised to submit the assignments in time, because the marks obtained in these assignments shall be counting towards your grades in this course. After the revision and assessment week, we shall again continue our study, and in the 9th and 10th week the focus shall be on the study on reactions which are related with the free radical with them. That is, we shall also revisit what is the structure of free radical, how their stability and the various reactions which involve free radicals along with their mechanistic details shall be covered in these 2 weeks. After this, the next section of study of this course shall be the pericyclic reactions, which shall be covered in detail in the weeks 11 to the 14th weeks. In all these weeks, in a very sequential form, we will introduce you to a very novel class of organic reactions which are called as pericyclic reactions. A pericyclic reaction, let me tell you briefly here, is a type of organic reaction wherein the transition state of the molecule has a cyclic geometry and the reaction progresses in a concerted fashion. Pericyclic reactions are usually the rearrangement reactions, and these reactions play a crucial role in the synthesis of many important biomimetic products. A detailed discussion on the different types of pericyclic reactions like electrocyclic reactions, cycloaddition reactions, chelotropic reactions, sigmatropic reaction shall be done in these weeks. The last week of the self-study shall be concerning the named reactions like the Azacough rearrangement, fluxional tautomerism and the Ene reaction, which are also part of pericyclic reactions. After this, the 15th week shall be another revision and assessment week for you, and at this stage you are required to revise whatever you have studied in the entire course, and then again there will be assignments provided to you which you have to submit at time, and after this there will be also a notification about the proctored examination which you are supposed to give, and all these details we will be giving you later when you reach that stage. So dear students, I am sure you will find this course very interesting and enjoyable. and all the e-content which includes the self-learning videos and e-texts, I suggest that you should go through them. I suggest that you should go through them very sincerely and also perform the various activities and assignments of this course sincerely. I am quite confident that going through this course shall be a great self-learning experience for you. I wish you all the best.